Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share another video in the how many plugs and connector series, and this one is Subaru BRZ, BRZ, the generation 2013 and 2016, and we already removed the factory radio, which actually is this one. Okay, you can see it is this one, and at the back of this one it looks like this, and here we can count main cable. It has 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so there's 4 cable at the back end of that head unit in the Subaru BRZ 2013 and belonging to the 2013-16 generation. Okay, so 4 of them. The car doesn't come with the steering wheel control. It doesn't come with the reverse camera, and we are doing the upgrade of 7-inch full package for the car. So thanks again for watching, and see you soon.